students, how are you? Today we will start about the equilibrium constant. What is the equilibrium constant Kc? Yesterday in the previous lecture we have discussed about the law of mass action, in which we have derived this equation. This is for the mathematical derivation of law of mass action. And what is this? This represents, as you know, the rate constant per power reaction. This is the per reverse reaction on rearranging. After rearranging we have got this one equation. Now what is Kc? Actually the ratio of the power reaction to the ratio of the reverse reaction is equal to the equilibrium constant. It is known as equilibrium constant. At this equilibrium constant, your reaction will be at complete equilibrium. Now these are the square brackets. Actually these are brackets, square brackets. These square brackets indicate the concentration of chemical species at equilibrium in mole per decimeter cube. We have already discussed in the previous lecture that the brackets are taken for concentration and which are taken in mole per decimeter cube or mole per decimeter cube. Now Kc expression for any reaction can be written from its balanced chemical equation. If you have a balanced chemical equation, then you can return that expression for Kc. Now we will define that what is Kc. What is Kc? It is actually the equilibrium constant, and it can be defined as the ratio of the product of concentration of products to the product of concentration of reactants, each raised to the power. Each raised to the power equal to the coefficient. Each equal power equal to the coefficient in the balanced chemical equation. You have already seen in the previous lecture that we have taken these as the moles of the reactants and the moles of the product. So these will be raised as a power of reactant and as a power of a product. Now Kc, but remember that Kc is independent of the concentration of reactants and products, but it depends upon the temperature. When you are going to give some temperature to an equilibrium equation, to an equilibrium equation, the reactants and the products which are already in equilibrium, and when you are going to give temperature, increase and decrease in temperature affect the value of Kc. Remember, increase and decrease affect the value of Kc. If you have any question regarding this one topic, you can ask in the comment box. Thank you.